Oh, there's another fish on here.
Wow.
Oh, this is a nice one too. I'm telling you, these shiners, man, these fish, I love them. I don't know. No, it's not. This one's smaller. Ah.
So what do you guys do now when you're not in school? Do you have some kind of classes in the morning? Or no?
Oh yeah, we have to go online and do classes. Like they just assign it through like different like stuff.
Whoa, there's a fish on here, a big one too. Ooh, big bass. Okay, it's not that big. Wow, I must do that. Look, another one. That's a pretty big fish, huh?
Mine got
Stuck? Okay, I'll get it for you. Boy, it's so fast catching fish with shiners. This is called a largemouth bass. Fast, huh? Oh, I got one. Yeah, I got one. Ooh, he's coming up. Oh, wow! Did you see that? Wow, that was incredible.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, he's big, huh? Man. Oh, wow. Oh, look, he got off. Oh, what happened? He's still alive. I don't see any other fish trying to go after it. You kind of have to just be patient, you know, throw it out there, let it go a little bit, let the line go, and then, you know, close the bail. Yeah, and don't close the bail just yet. No, let it go down a little bit. Yeah, pull a little bit of line out. Yeah, exactly. That's good. And now close it. There you go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Did you count how many fish you caught?
No. I wish. Well, if it was one, I would have noticed. You know what I mean? Oh, that one's gonna jump. It's possible.
It's kind of cool how you can see
Inside their mouth. Yeah, right?
Oh,
All right. It's a nice peacock bass. There he goes. He's destroying my camera. Caught him. Oh. Okay. Do not splash me, fish. I'm tired of you guys. You son of a gun. Okay. You're just hurting yourself, fish. Maria, can you bring me my pliers, please? In the book bag. Oh, thank you, Lucas. I thought you were Maria. Thank you. See, I caught him with this little fake fish.
Yeah. How many have you caught?
Overall today?
Yeah.
Ooh, a lot. There you go. And there he goes. It's a good fish. He's still alive.